All right, we got a quick unboxing here. What could it be? All the way from Canada, it's a razor. Man, it's hard to do these things one-handed. It is nice and tight in there. Some nice black tissue paper. The sounds are super important for these unboxings. And that's pretty sweet. A little wax seal. If you haven't figured it out already, that is the wax seal of Aylsworth. And we have a Dracont here. Again, opening things one-handed while holding the camera. All right, let's move that out of the way. Very nice solid box here. Thank you. Thank you, Caleb. Thank you for the opportunity to try this razor. Look at that. From early looks, really big fan of the design of this razor. Some people have likened the handle pattern like a grenade. So this razor is designed by Caleb from Aylsworth, manufactured by Yates Precision. Nice three-piece here. I can't wait to give this a go, guys. There you go, focus, nice little engraving on the bottom. This is the I do believe this is the satin finish as well. So yeah, that's the Aylsworth Razors Dracont. And you'll be seeing this in my upcoming shaves. Very cool.